Hi, I'm Graham Dinnan at Resources for Life. I'm going to show you something that made a real difference to my sleeping patterns that I know will work just as effectively for you and thousands of others. Last week I installed a shielding canopy, hanging it from a simple frame over the bed my wife and I sleep in. Where we live in Bali, Indonesia, the cell phone service is at best 4G. But even with that, there's still a connection between electromagnetic radiation and stress, testicular and sperm damage, harmful electrical activity in the brain, and changes in the basic structure of your DNA. Now, I can't block this out altogether, but I want to minimize the impact as much as I can before 5G comes to our streets. Here's a picture of our bedroom last week, pre-canopy. And this is it now. The canopy provides an intelligent layering to protect us from the incessant assault of radiation as we sleep. Electric and magnetic radiation may be coming from sources both inside and outside your home, or possibly through the walls or ceiling from your neighbor's home. As you know, sleep is where we rest, we recuperate, we recover. It's our place of safety and refuge. But if we're being bombarded by harmful and invisible rays as we sleep, we're not going to get the rest and recovery we need. And radiation damage is cumulative. So if you're seeing a doctor or a therapist to remedy a poor health condition, and after the appointment you return home to rest or sleep in the bedroom that's being bombarded with electromagnetic radiation, you'll understand why your recovery may be minimal. And the radiation may be the cause of your condition in the first place. While that thought sinks in, let's take a look at the results. Okay, we're in the bedroom again, and the canopy is up. I'm just going to take a measurement first. If you can, let's do one standing beside the bed, just to get some idea of the readings on this HF digimeter. Do you want to hold the end of it? There you are. And the readings are over 1,000. It would be nice if readings were under 100. That's about the maximum we want in any bedroom. At the moment, well, it's gone down to 800, 700. But it varies. Let's move along the bed a bit to the far end. Do the same. Okay. Down to 400 here. Still well above what I would consider to be safe. Okay, let's lie down on the bed. Canopy still up, and see what readings we're getting there. On the bed, 400, 390, 385, still well above 100. It varies during the day. I'm just going to go down the bed, and I'm going to put the digimeter between the toes there to see. It's gone up to 800 there at this end of the bed. Okay, now let's put the canopy down and see what a difference that makes. Yeah. Right, let's pull the canopy down all the way. Spread it out. And if you want to get in, I'll take measurements like I did before. Yeah, let's just put it down this side too. And we want it to be completely surrounding you. Okay, right. It's closed at the end there. Right, if you can just hold that as before, lie down, just get comfortable. And hold the end there. We'll see what the readings are. Wow. 24, 25, well below 100. That's safe. That's a safe sleeping space. You're not being bombarded by radiation as you read a book, sleep, whatever. Good. We're in a safe place. Thanks.